So I'm just going to soak my water slide like normal. It's like 40 seconds or so. And the edges curl up so you can push them down. And I have my cups here. I put the white vinyl on already. I did this one already. It's drying. So I'm just going to show you how I line it up on the white vinyl here. Just check this. Not yet. A little longer. My dog is waiting. Molly. Okay, let's see. Okay, so see it sliding there? It's ready to come off. And once you put it down on, I don't know if you can see. Bend over a little bit. Once you put it down, oh, I forgot to wet my cup. Wet the cup. And then you can see underneath the water slide backing here, you can see where it lines up with the vinyl. So when you have the edge over here, you're gonna lay it on top of the vinyl where you want it, and then you're gonna hold your water slide paper down and then slide the backing out. And if it slides off like it moved right there, you can just push it back. It's kind of hard to do. Just hold it nice and still while you do it. And that did not work up there. There. Slide it out. Push the water out. Try to get it as straight as you can on there. And then dry it off.
Yeah.
Then you just let it dry. And that's it.